Meaning of cylinder. Cylinder. Cylinder.
Cylinder. Cylinder. A cylinder is a three-dimensional shape with two parallel circular bases connected by a curved side. It resembles a tube or pipe and is commonly found in everyday objects like cans, bottles, and pipes. The volume of a cylinder can be calculated using the formula V equals pi r superscript 2h, where r is the radius of the base and h is the height of the cylinder. Cylinders are often used in engineering, manufacturing, and science due to their strength and resistance to deformation. They are also used in mathematics as a basic geometric shape for teaching geometry.